under $250 for 38 inches. 613 is insane. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. This is a 613 38 inch wig from AliExpress. I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money, you guys. So this video is not sponsored. We are going to go ahead and open this wig and see what it's looking like. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. So, you guys, I got this wig from SILKWAVE. I've tried SILKWAVE 1B hair recently, and their 40 inch, it ate. I really did like it. I don't believe they offer 250% density, but I like the hair, so I was like, I might as well try the 613 wig, and it was affordable. So I'm gonna read this off. It's a 13x4. It says it's HD lace, we'll see. 38 inch, 180% density wig. So this should be long and beautiful. It should give, it should eat. So let's go ahead and open this thing. Oh, and also it only cost, it was pretty cheap. It cost $270 for 38 inches. So that's really not bad at all. We're under $300. And also, right now, I wanted to get this video out because AliExpress is having some kind of anniversary sale. So I think it might even be cheaper. So check this out. So let's open this because I know y'all are like, let me see this wig, Brittany. And I'm ready to see it too. This wig did take like a week to come, which is kind of long for AliExpress because my wigs usually don't take a week. But here it is, you guys. Here's the bag. It says 100% human hair. Got a little 38 sticker on it because this should be 38 inches, but we're gonna see, of course. Y'all know I like to measure my wigs, so we will be pulling out my measuring tape, so don't worry. Ooh, this bag kind of hard to open for some reason. Hold on, I'm gonna have to cut this thing because I can't get it. So you have a wig cap here, bam, 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 and $10 cash back if you give them 5 stars. Is that all we got in here? I think so. Let's get into this wig though. Oh, okay, it does have some kind of netting on it. Ooh, the lace does look thin. I don't think it's HD, but it looks very thin. But let's see what we're working with here. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, the length is there. I can look at this and tell you the length is there. This is more so 180% density. Like, hold on, let me get back because this wig is really, really long, you guys. Like, the length is there. I will say this is like more of the 180% density vibe. Like, it's not just thick, but the length is definitely there. And it's thick to the ends. I mean, it's like thick, the same thickness. It's not like the ends get thinner or anything. But let's look at this lace. Let's start from the top. You get, it's a 13x4. The middle, you get like the full 4 inches. Like, it's not bad. I feel like you get a nice amount of parting space. Of course, the sides are a little shorter. I hate that, but it is what it is. Oh, and it comes with an elastic band, guys. So I've actually seen 0 613 wigs with an elastic band. So that is insane. I've never seen that. So that is exciting. For my small head girlies, you're good. You got a tan elastic band. I wonder when, well, I'm not gonna watercolor this wig, but I wonder if I did watercolor this wig with like pink or something, would this band also end up pink? Because you wouldn't want it to just be like this color underneath a pink wig. You might see this. But I like this band. This is really cool. I like that. Great idea, guys. It does have combs in it. Bam, bam, bam. Pretty secure. But yeah, the length is there. I feel like the thickness is pretty good. Like, it's 180. It's for a wig this long, for it to actually be this thick is a blessing, honestly. I wouldn't say it's not thin to me at all, but I'm not gonna say it's not 250. It's not this wig I have on right now, honey. This wig is from TikTok Shop and it is thick. But you know, I'm happy with this. I really don't need my 613 wig to be super thick. Honestly, thinking about it, I really don't need my blonde wig to be just thick. I'm happy with it for the price, for sure. Like, you want it to look like natural. I feel like with black hair, you want it to be full, you want it to be glamorous. happy with this thickness. I can work with this for sure. We are definitely gonna color it together, you guys, but I could work with this. I could definitely work with this. But let me get my measuring tape out and see if this wig is actually true to length. Because it looks so, so long, you guys. This is definitely giving 40 inches. So I believe that I'm probably going to put in the title that this is 40 inches, but it's really 38 inches. But 40 inches get the clicks, baby. So we're going to stick with 40. But this is 38 inches. I don't think they go any longer than 38 inches. That's why I got 38 inches. So I'm going to hold it right. Let me see. I'm going to hold it up here because that's what companies be doing. So we'll see. So yeah, this is true to length. Well, holding it up here, I'm really getting like 37 inches. But this seems really long, so let me stand back. So I'm 5'7", you guys. Here's how the wig is looking. So the wig I have on now is 40 inches. So let's see. Are they about the same? Are they about the same length? Yeah, so this wig is 38 inches. The wig I have on is 40 inches. And I did just trim the ends on my black hair a little bit. So, yeah. I'm running through my fingers through the hair and I'm not getting any shedding, but I think the real test will come after I color the hair and install it. I'm not getting any shedding, but you know 613 wigs can shed. Like it's probably gonna shed a little bit. But I'm actually really happy with this. I'm happy. Like it's very, very long. The wig is very long. I feel like I've reviewed so many 613 wigs. I feel like it wasn't ever this long though. Like I've reviewed so many 40-inch 613 wigs and it doesn't seem like it was this long. I don't know what they did, but it seems longer. I don't know what they did, but it definitely seems longer than a lot of my other wigs. Let me see. I wonder, did they offer anything else? Oh my goodness. This sale is insane, you guys. So I just got on the site. This is the wig I got, you guys. SILKWAVE. So with the sale going on right now, this wig costs $240, so you can get this wig for $250. Right now on AliExpress they have like an anniversary sale, and the wig is literally $240 for 38 inches, 180% density. So under $250 for 38 inches, 613 is insane. So right now this wig is literally under $250 on AliExpress. So what? Okay, you gotta check it out. But I mean, I've tried SILKWAVE before and I did really like it, so I am excited to see how this wig is gonna give. Let me know what you all think I should do with the hair. So I think I'm just gonna go with an ash blonde again, something cute like that. But let me know what you all think. What are the girlies thinking? What are we thinking, girlies? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to link the wig in the description box. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.